All right, so this is Starforge Systems. We're based out of Austin, Texas. Over here we have some of our most popular PCs, as well as a slushy PC right now. So Linus wanted us to make slushy a PC. We're more than happy to do it, and this is what we came up with. Right over here, inside is our light boxes we have. So we're trying to make this standard for all of our PCs. You can also see it on our Oni PC over here. But yeah, this is really popular right now at the convention. Everyone's getting a kick out of that. But over here is actually one that you can go ahead and buy from Starforge PCs. Here's all the specs in it right here. Here's another light box that you saw over on Slushies. This is actually one of my favorites. You can see it over there. But yeah, and here's some of our more base models. This is the Horizon 2 Ultra. If you're looking just to get into, PC gaming and things like that, or content creation, this is a great Star Edition PC. But yeah, and I don't know, for any of you guys that don't know about Starforge Systems PCs, OTK is our parent company. So if you see Nasman Gold or S-Fan, which he'll be here a little bit later today, they kind of had an idea that they want to build a PC company, and he reached out to some of us, and we're more than happy to help them out and start it. So yeah, no problem.